Today I'm going to make some countertop wipes. We have these in all of our rooms in our house, our bathrooms especially, just for like wiping the toilet seat or countertop if something gets spilled on it or something sticky. I like to have them in the kitchen. So we have several jars around our house. But I need to refill one of our jars today, so I'm just going to show you how I make them. So first I take a cup and a half of water in a jar that's pretty good sized. Obviously you'd want to use less, but you're going to do half water, half vinegar, and you want to use the same amount. So this is a cup and a half. Just put it in the jar. And then a cup and a half of vinegar. White vinegar is what I use. I use some essential oils and I switch it up. Today I'm using some melaleuca, which is tea tree, and I'm gonna probably put, I don't know, this is kind of a big jar, so maybe like 10 drops in. I'm gonna use some lavender, 10 drops of that. And again, you don't have to use these same oils, there are lots of options. I'm gonna use some eucalyptus, globulus, and I'm probably putting, you know, about 10 drops of each in. Thyme oil, which I really like for cleaning, and a citrus fresh. Oftentimes I'll use lemon because it's really inexpensive, but I don't have any open right now, so I'm just going to use citrus fresh. And then I make these, I use like t-shirt scraps from old t-shirts, and really what I do now is I just shove as many as I can fit inside of this jar. I don't even know if I have enough here, but you get the idea. All different sizes, so, but they're great. Then my kids use them if they need to wipe something up, and toss them in the laundry room, and I wash them again until they get kind of gnarly, or if we use one for something really gross, we just throw it away because it's a scrap of fabric, so it's biodegradable, which is nice. And we're reusing the pieces of the t-shirt that are still intact. And then after I load it up with rags, I actually flip the whole thing upside down. I might need more rags though. So I flip it upside down and kind of just let it soak through all the pieces of fabric. And it only takes, you know, half an hour or something before they're all soaked, and then they're ready to go.